Hi everyone, WeatherBug meteorologist Miranda Hilger is back with your extreme and severe weather outlook. It doesn't get much more extreme than this. In portions of Missouri yesterday, tornado damage as we had quite a few robust thunderstorm cells moving through the area. So a lot of damage to clean up today, but more storms firing through the afternoon and evening. That's just a recipe for disaster in some locations, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But this is your severe weather report map from the past 24 hours or so. You notice a big cluster in the Central Plains. Yes, that is true. But here across the Atlantic coast, we've had wind damage. We've had hail reports near the Blue Ridge as well, and more active weather across a large area as we move through the rest of our Mother's Day Sunday. From Chicago, Indianapolis, all the way down to San Angelo, Texas, a slight risk of severe weather. But here in the red, this is where we have our eyes tuned for additional severe weather. In fact, some of the strongest thunderstorm cells likely to fire from Waterloo, Iowa, back down towards Salina, Kansas. So this is a highlighted risk zone for your Sunday. Into Monday, we still have some of the same locations highlighted, but it's a lessened risk as we have the atmosphere sort of losing its energy as we move into the next 48-hour period. We'll show you what that looks like here. The forecast calling for this massive area of low pressure to move across the midsection of the nation, and as it does so, it drags with it a cold front that could produce some big thunderstorms here across the middle of the country in the next couple of days. So late night storms here across the highlighted moderate area. We're talking snow in the Rockies. It's pulling down cold enough air that we support those snow showers even into the plain states for Monday morning, and this cold front tapping into that Gulf moisture and widespread thunderstorms likely here as we move through Monday evening as well before high pressure comes in and clears everybody out, but not without getting quite a bit of rainfall, and that rain begins to push east as we move into our Wednesday time frame. So very briefly, back into the mountains, we're still tracking our own extreme weather with at least a foot of snow on the way for some of the mountainous regions. Up to 8 inches or so in the valleys can't be ruled out though. Here's a look at what you can expect for the snow forecast, increasing tallies across the region.